So it didn't go as well as I hoped. We sent out over 4,000 emails and we only got just under 10% of everyone to apply and join the school community. Now, massive lessons here. I think I massively overestimated or underestimated what I needed to do. And everyone jumped in to a free trial. And I think 70% of everyone jumped in and canceled the free trial as soon as jumping in. But there's one big thing that I actually realized. We got a lot of Spanish applications coming through. And how many do you think actually passed the scorecard? So we had a total of 123 Spanish closers applying through the scorecard. Zero passed. Zero. Not one of the applications got approved. Now, I was thinking, oh my God, maybe that's an error. Maybe that's our mistake. So I actually recorded an intro video in Spanish. I put it into the video sales card and it was approved. So it's not because there was an error. It's just because the bar is so low. And it's crazy to think that the Spanish market is so far behind. With the English market, it wasn't 97% rejected. It was 98% got rejected. So it was a bit higher. It was 1% higher than I expected. My biggest lesson is I think I just need to bring more people in to a live call with me rather than just sending them straight into the school community. I think I need to get everyone onto a webinar. So that's what I'm thinking now is rather than sending people into the school community where there's, we're slowly building the school community. I'm going to go and get everyone to apply to jump onto a webinar. And I think I came up with a name for the program. Now, let me know what you think. Here we go. High Ticket Placement Accelerator. So why do we want to do this? Because the faster you guys can get placed and start making money, the faster we make money, right? As a recruitment agency, we don't charge upfront fees. We charge on your success. So it all depends on how good you are, how fast you land a role, how good you are as a closer, and then we take a percentage from the business, right? So we take a percentage of all your cash collected from the business. So it's within our best interest to make sure that you're landing the right roles, your sales is on point, you're asking for referrals, you're networking, you're just bringing in as much money as possible. So that's why we are creating this community. Plus, yes, you're going to have additional things, but High Ticket Placement Accelerator. I think that's what we're going to call it. Anyway, I'm going to go back to the drawing board. I'm going to reroute people rather than straight into the community to a webinar, and then from the webinar into the community. That's it for me. That's the update. I'll see you in a bit.